everybody, Crazy Pop here, and today, boy, we have a treat. Well, not only for you, it's going to be for me also, as I've never ever tried to make a Reubens sandwich. And I've never eaten a Reubens sandwich. I've never tried one, so I have no clue how this is going to turn out. But I'll tell you what, I'm really excited for it. I've seen other channels like the Wall Twins. I've seen you do an excellent job. Loved it. I've seen a lot of other channels. I can't even go to start mentioning channels because I'll leave somebody out. I know I will. But there are some excellent, excellent videos out there. And I'm going to try to add mine to that list. So, with that being said, that's what we're doing today. We're doing a Reubens sandwich. I'm going to show you how to do all this, put it together, cook it, and I'm going to even show you how to eat it. So before we get all that done, hey, if you're new here, please consider subscribing, ring that bell notification, leave us a comment down below. We'd love to hear from you. If you have been here, man, thank you so much for your support. It really, really means a lot to us. It really does, knowing you've been here video after video, and I really appreciate the support and the love that we're getting here. Please continue that. We really do appreciate that. With all that being said, also, one more thing. Look in the description down below. We have a Facebook, a Pinterest, an Instagram, a Twitter. We have an email. We got a P.O. box. We got all kind of things down there. And we also have, and I say it every video, a recipe playlist where you'll find this recipe along with a lot of other ones down there in that playlist. So be sure to check that out. Okay, let's get this griddle going. We're going to go these 3 burners here. We're going to go about a medium low. Get that thing heated up and we're ready to go. Okay, to make these Reubens, it's going to be super simple. We have some rye bread. I went with a New York style rye bread. You can get the marble, whatever kind of rye bread you prefer. I'm going New York style. We have some corned beef back here that I had the deli shave up and I kind of pulled it apart. Oh, also I have some butter here that we're going to use to toast our bread up with. We have some Swiss cheese back here, some rat cheese that we're going to use. We have some sauerkraut that I have drained off. We're going to throw on the griddle. But here is the trick to, I believe, all of it. And I have actually tasted this already, so there's that. Some Russian dressing. Now, we made this. The recipe is in the description down below. Now, if you want to use just 1,000 items, some people do. I said, what could be better than having your own homemade dressing? So we kind of threw this together. Tried it out. I like it. I think it's going to be awesome on the sandwich. Like I said, the recipe for this is in the description. Look down there. Okay, the griddle is hot. Well, there ain't going to be a whole lot to this. It really ain't. We're going to throw this corned beef on here, throw the sauerkraut on here, toast this bread up, and we're going to get to building. But we'll never get to that point if we don't put it on the griddle. So let's do that. All we're trying to do is just kind of warm this up a little bit. Get it spread out. Man, actually smells pretty good. Okay, corned beef is on. Let's get the sauerkraut on, get it warming up. Now we really are starting to get some smell off this griddle. That corned beef and this sauerkraut. Yeah, buddy. Okay, we kind of slid everything back to the back. We're a little bit cooler, just a little bit. We're still gonna keep things stirred up. We gotta go ahead and start toasting our bread a little bit to get this thing together. So I'm gonna go ahead and just butter one side of my bread here. Now you butter it as much as you want. I've seen some videos, man, I mean, they really slap the butter to it. That is completely up to you. You know, I don't know what's traditional, honestly. You see so many videos of here's how you do it, here's how you do it, here's how you do it. There we go. Let's give everything a quick stir back here while bread toasts up real fast. Get our sauerkraut mixed up again. I tell you what, that rye bread smells awesome toasting on this griddle. Just kind of get everything over here where it cools off a little bit. Same here. Maybe slide everything over. Okay. What we're going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and flip this over. I ain't going to butter the other side. Just kind of toast it up there. Man, look at that beautiful toast on some of these pieces, y'all. Look at that. Let the other side get toasted so it don't get all mushy on the inside. When we get this thing built, just keep that crunch. That's what we're looking for. Now while this bread's toasting up, I'm gonna go ahead and cut this far burner off completely. That corned beef back here in this corner will stay warm. The sauerkraut over here, as this burner here is off, it'll stay warm. We get this bread toasted. We'll finish making us some sandwiches. Yeah, look at that toast is getting on there now. Yeah, buddy. What I'm wanting right there. Look at that. Oh yeah. That is a beautiful, beautiful toast. Now I've seen these sandwiches built different ways. I don't know if there is a right way. If there is, let me know down below in the comments. I would love to know the correct way to build this, I guess you say. I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna build it. I'm sure it ain't gonna be bad, but maybe it's wrong. I don't know. Y'all let me know. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come in here with some of this dressing. Put it down here on the bottom, like so. And then I'm gonna come in here with some of this corned beef, like so. Pile it on here. Yeah, buddy. And then I'm gonna come in here with some of the sauerkraut, like so. And make a mess. Then I'm gonna come in here with some of this cheese, y'all. Now I don't know how much cheese you use, so I'm gonna put 2 slices on each one, like so. And we're gonna, oh wait a minute, I think, before I put that on, I think I'm gonna put more dressing on here, y'all. How's that? Put more dressing on top. I think that's what we'll do. Now, put these on here, like so. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a dome and I'm gonna cover these up and help melt that cheese down. Let's dome them up. Put a little water up on them and melt them down. Okay, they only been under there, maybe a minute, maybe. Let's check them out. Yeah, buddy. Let's go ahead and kill our burners, y'all. Let's get this out the way, get this out the way. Get a cutting board up here. Y'all look at that. Y'all look at that. Man, I cannot wait to try these out. Yeah, buddy. Y'all got to see this. What do you think about that? Man, that dressing coming out with that cheese, that sauerkraut. Oh, man. That corned beef on a toasted bread. Okay, y'all. I don't know the proper way of building these. I don't know if I did it right or not. Y'all let me know in the comments down below how you would build them or how you're supposed to build them, because I don't know. But I'm going to tell you what, I'm impressed with how these look. I'm impressed with how these smell. I mean, but y'all look at that. That is a beautiful sandwich. What I've seen people do is they'll cut it like this and then wrap it. Yeah, buddy, look at that. Look at that. Y'all check this out. Would you just look at that goodness in that sandwich right there? Yeah, buddy, that's gonna be good. And there it is. We've cut into it. Got you a little close look at it. I mean that. Y'all, I'm really impressed. I mean, look at that. I'm so impressed I gotta eat this piece. Let's try this out. Okay. I have a question that y'all can't even answer. Why have I waited so long to try this? Man, that rye bread, that toasted rye bread, that corned beef, that sauerkraut, but that dressing. Y'all, that dressing with that melted Swiss cheese and all. I see why this right here is such a favorite. I don't know why I waited all these years to ever try it, but I won't wait that long again to try my next one, I promise you that. So I tell you what, y'all have to try a Reuben on the Blackstone. Super simple, super, super good. I am just blown away. It gets a yeah, buddy. Everybody says I say yeah, buddy. So anyhow, yeah, buddy, this is good. Tell you what, give it a try. Let me know if I did it right or wrong, what you'd do different. Would love to know. If I did do it wrong, I don't want to be right because this is good. So, if you're new, please consider subscribing. If you've been here, thanks for your support. I got to finish this, and we'll see you next time.